Isolated at the most westerly point of England, the coastline surrounding Sennen has a unique and mysterious feel to it. For me, it began as a place to remove distraction, but ultimately became a place of stimulation. Its exposure to the Atlantic makes the conditions extreme but diverse, creating an array of colours and textures to draw from. Every coastline has its own intricacies, layers of pattern and structure that pull you in. As you delve deeper, the more hidden gems they reveal. Natural forms, rounded and smooth in texture, evoke calm, comfort and connection, in contrast to the uncontrollable chaos around them. The ocean, like time, is a constant flow of momentum that everything revolves around.